This venting steam captures the reality of industrial equipment. These systems contain immense volatile force, operating at the absolute mechanical limit to prevent catastrophic release. Historically, managing that risk relied on a reactive model. Engineers followed maintenance codes that dictated shutting entire systems down at fixed intervals to manually check for internal damage. In 2026, the expansion of high-pressure hydrogen infrastructure and the development of small modular reactors are making these rigid maintenance intervals increasingly difficult to justify. Housing hydrogen at pressures exceeding 70 megapascals presents a specific set of physical threats. The gas induces severe thermal stress and can permeate the atomic structure of solid containment barriers. Relying on manual, periodic shutdowns to detect this specific type of stress is often too slow. The degradation process can occur much faster than a standard maintenance calendar anticipates. This temporal gap creates a window where invisible structural weakening can accelerate, potentially leading to failure between scheduled inspection dates. To maintain safety, pressure containment is evolving into an active diagnostic tool. The equipment must have the capability to monitor its own structural integrity in real time. The survival of hydrogen infrastructure rests on the fusion of metallurgy and predictive intelligence. By integrating these systems, operators can bridge the gap between material limits and real-time stress, eliminating mechanical blind spots before they lead to failure. The lifespan of modern pressure equipment now begins inside computationally heavy design codes, long before the first piece of steel is forged. Engineers utilize generative AI to calculate the exact ply angles inside composite overwrapped pressure vessels. This diagram shows AI-determined angles dynamically shifting to reinforce specific high-stress junction points across the internal geometry. This alignment significantly reduces mass while maintaining high burst strength for hydrogen storage. Next, computational fluid dynamics simulate thermal cycling and hydrogen permeation long before physical construction. This digital complexity requires a shift in the physical engineering. Inspectability has become a foundational design requirement, ensuring the vessel can be monitored throughout its life. Non-destructive examination experts work alongside designers during this digital phase to ensure the vessel will comply with physical inspection regulations after it is built. Modern engineering embeds diagnostic access directly into the vessel's blueprint. Internal inspectability is now a permanent anatomical feature, prioritized as heavily as the primary structural supports. Within these massive pipelines, heavy industrial mechanical valves actuate autonomously, managing extreme internal pressure in these high-stakes environments. Field maintenance is moving toward impact-based forecasting, which relies on real-time risk data streaming directly from the active equipment. Internet of Things-enabled smart valves record and broadcast their own seat leakage measurements and overpressure history. This chart shows live diagnostic data feeding into fitness for service assessments. Processing fresh telemetry, the projected trendline curves into a critical failure zone, calculating exact fatigue accumulation. Machine learning models update predicted lifespans, allowing operators to intervene before breaching critical thresholds, reducing reliance on estimated maintenance windows. High-pressure vessels have become active, communicative systems capable of identifying their own mechanical limits before they are reached. The linear timeline of manufacturing and periodic checking has transitioned into a continuous loop of predictive data. New environmental permitting regimes arriving in late 2026 are accelerating this shift, with a focus on eliminating fugitive emissions from industrial facilities. Stricter leak detection and repair standards now require continuous monitoring, using high-resolution thermal imaging cameras to identify gas breaches. To standardize these methods, the European Joint Research Centre is conducting round-robin validation exercises for the upcoming testing cycle. These exercises will establish the global baseline for accelerated stress testing, ensuring components can withstand the unique demands of hydrogen environments. Despite the advancement in digital modeling, the core reality remains a physical network of metal pipes vibrating under immense pressure. The viability of the next generation of energy infrastructure depends on the successful integration of these high-stress physical materials with active predictive intelligence.